I recently found this mouth-watering, phenomenal tuna melt recipe that I just knew I was going to make, but I am going to take that recipe and make a low-carb, keto-friendly version of it. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I'm sharing with you alternative versions of the foods that we love so they fit into our diet plan such as keto and low carb. And today it is that American classic called a tuna melt. You guys absolutely love tuna melts. As a matter of fact, every time I went to a restaurant and I ordered a sandwich, tuna melt was it. But today I am following a lower carb diet regimen higher in protein, and I came across this phenomenal, delicious, mouth-watering tuna melt recipe. And as soon as I saw it, it's like, oh yes, I am going to share this recipe with you guys, but a lower carb version. Thank you so much, Recipe 30, for sharing such a phenomenal recipe with us. So you guys, everything that we need to put this together is right here in front of us. It's kind of like a tuna melt elevated, you guys, because of the addition of phenomenal ingredients such as some cream cheese. And guys, he used capers, I'm using some green olives. Smashingly delicious. So without further ado, I know your mouth is watering, so is mine. So come in close and let's cook. In my mixing bowl, I already have my drained flaked tuna, and we are going to start layering in the deliciousness. I've got some chopped up green olives, diced red onions, some chopped pickles, sauce and cream cheese, Dijon mustard, and mayo. Okay, let's set this aside, and we are going to chop up some parsley. And next, we are going to add some lemon. Now, I am not going to do the lemon spin because I do not want to embarrass myself on camera. But we add lemon because it just brightens the flavors of our food. And combine all of the ingredients together. Okay, time to taste for salt and pepper, but remember to save some for the sandwich. And this is ready. Now, set this aside. It's time to go on over to the stove and toast our low-carb tortilla shells. All right, everyone, I've got 2 frying pans here, just so I can make these shells at the same time. They won't fit in one pan. Now that they've preheated, I am going to add a little bit of avocado oil to each one, followed by some butter. Adding the avocado oil so that this butter does not burn. Okay, put our shell in, and we're just going to toast the one side. All right, everyone, these shells are ready and it's time to put it together. But before we do that, if you are enjoying this recipe, please do remember to give it a like. And if you want to see more recipes such as this, alternative versions of the foods that we love that will fit into your diet plan, such as keto and low carb, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, on the toasted side of our bread, we are going to add our tuna salad. Now it's time for our cheese. Choose a cheese that will melt nice and creamy. I was going to use some muenster, but that muenster has seen some better days, you guys. So I had to go to an alternative, which is what I already had in my fridge, which is some mozzarella cheese. But a muenster would be absolutely phenomenal, as well as some provolone. And the last thing that we need to do before we go back over to the stove is to put the top on it, toasted side down. Okay, meet me at the stove. All right, everyone. Just like before, these skillets have been preheated. I'm going to add some avocado oil to each one, and then some butter. Add your sandwich. Okay, and we are going to continue to let this cook until it's nice and golden brown. We're going to flip it over, and that will give it plenty of time to melt this cheese. All right, everyone, and there you have it, a tuna melt like you have never had before. Absolutely phenomenal is this recipe. So please do give it a try. And you guys, if you are interested in learning how to make other alternative versions of the foods that we absolutely love, but you are following a certain diet such as keto and low carb, then you are in the right place. And I encourage you to check out these other recipes. Keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. This sandwich would be absolutely phenomenal with a salad, with some fruit, or you guys, with this soup that is coming up real soon. So stay tuned for that. As a matter of fact, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss it. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. So you guys, I'm going to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember to give this video a like, give it a share, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying what you are seeing here. And as I always say before I sign off, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you guys right here real soon. Thanks for joining us and enjoy.